Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be talking about a first aid kit that I keep in my truck. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. All right, so today I built my own first aid kit for my truck. I didn't want to buy a pre-made one. I wanted to build my own. So I'm going to show you what I have and break down some of the things that I have in here. But let's start with the pouch. So this pouch, it is a Molly pouch I picked up off of Temu. It has a breakaway panel that stays attached. I have a I did a video a while back about is Temu bad, and I showed some stuff that I've purchased. But I've got a Molly thing that goes on the back of the front seat of my truck. So that's where this attaches to. So it's a breakaway panel, so that part stays on there. There's a clip that comes around. You undo that clip, grab the handle, you snatch it off. That stays on or in the truck, and then you have your first aid kit. All of these patches, this patch came with this pouch from Temu. All of these other three patches I have purchased off of Temu. So there we go. Of course, this is the ouch pouch and embrace the suck. So then we have another Velcro tab up here, undoes, and then we have a double zipper. So I got to be very careful with this because there will be some stuff that will probably fall out. So let's unzip. And so this pouch folds like so, and then this folds out. This is zippered, but it is attached with elastic. So in this pocket, I have basically like pills. So like Benadryl, Dayquil, NyQuil, stuff like that in here. I think I got some Rolaids. I've got a little thing of Q-tips, some nausea medicine, I think some Pepto, that kind of thing is in the top here in this little pouch. And I wanted to put those in there because it is zippered, and those are all individual little things. I didn't want them to fall out. In the, I guess we'll call this the main compartment, we've got a cold pack. I got this out of one of my pneumatic boxes, so go check those videos out. Got just medical tape. I'm gonna try to do this and try to ease some stuff back in where I got it from so we don't lose anything. This is some medicine one of my kids had. So I've got some new skin. Never know when you'll need new skin. I love it. I live by it. If I can get that back in there. I'm not going to pull it out because it's under some stuff, but I've got some Benadryl cream and I've got some Afterbite. Of course, again, mostly for the kids. I've got one of the kids' medicine droppers. I've got just a cheap pair of tweezers I had laying around. I've got some Ziploc specimen bags. So right here, you can see them. Be a way that if I did have like blood on my hands or something like that, that I could put those contaminated items in this pouch, zip it up, and it's good to trash. Another thing that came out of a pneumatic box is blister relief. Got a whole Ziploc bag of bandages, Band-Aids. This another thing, pneumatic box. Between myself and pneumatic box, we have filled this first aid kit up. But this is from temu, but it has lidocaine for fast pain relief. It also says that it prevents infection. So we've got that. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Then we've got some big gauze in there. Big gauze. These are 4x4. I've got about 4 or 5 of them in there. So let's get this side back together. See if it'll all slide in like I had it. All right, then on this side, we've got eye drops, got Neosporin. And you're going to say some of this is double. Some of this stuff does something that something else does. I'd rather have more than I need. Everyday protection. This is fever blisters. One of my kids get fever blisters. I've got a tube of Carmex. I've got a box of Sting Kill. You can see this green box. Those are Sting Kill. You pop the glass and you put it on. You got some tampons, because let me tell you something, if you've never had to use one for first aid, they will absorb more blood than any of these gauze. So if you have a blood situation, run to one of those. Just some ibuprofen, basic bottle. We have another cold pack. Have some hydration. So if your first aid situation is dehydration, you got this. There's 2 in this packet. Got a Sharpie just in case you need to write down some medical information as you've done it. This top part has a Velcro. Try to do this. It does have Velcro. So in the top here, we've got a pair of medical scissors. Again, off of Temu, less than $2, and they are pretty solid. This is something new in one of my new nomadic boxes. I just put this in here. Now, this zipper pouch I got from Temu. It came in like a pack of 6. They're see-through, they're mesh. They're not like water resistant or anything. But these are almost like new skin. So I haven't tried these out yet, but they're Duraderm Sport. And so that's what came in a nomadic box. And then down in here I have, I don't know, a couple pairs of latex rubber gloves. So that is pretty much my truck first aid kit. Now I've got a couple things kind of on my list that I want to add that I don't have in here, but nothing major. Just a few little things, like especially stuff for the kids that the kids would use, like kids Tylenol, stuff like that. But overall, it's pretty well done. It's pretty well done like I want it, with the exception, like I said, of just a few little things. And it shouldn't take me much to get those in there. But I wanted to come and show you, if you do not have a first aid kit in your vehicle, truck, car, SUV, whatever it is, if you don't have a first aid kit, I highly recommend you having one. It doesn't have to be anything like this per se. You can buy a ready-made one and put it in your vehicle. Those usually have everything that I have in here, probably plus some stuff. But to me, this isn't the first one I've ever built. I like building it because I control what's in there. I control and put the things that, and I guess with one, if I buy, I can take stuff out. But I just don't like the idea of taking stuff out. I'd rather build it like I want it and have it ready to go. So, and it packs all down in this awesome little bag. So a truck first aid kit, go check them out. Figure out how you want to build one. It's all based on the size of the pouch you get. And now if you don't have a MOLLE attachment in your vehicle, of course you don't have to get one like this. You can get just a regular bag, pouch, whatever, and put the stuff that's going to meet your needs. If you've got kids, have some kids medicine in there. If you are just by yourself, just have stuff that you would use or you use. If it's things that you use medicine wise, daily or every so often. If you don't ever take ibuprofen, don't put ibuprofen in there. Put Tylenol if you prefer Tylenol, that kind of thing. But you can build it how you want it and have it ready to go in a pinch if you need it. So there you go. My kids are accident prone, but my kids aren't the only ones susceptible to accidents. So that's why I've kind of built it the way I have. Like I said, I've got a few more little things I want to put in here. But there you go. Truck first aid kit. Highly recommend one. I would have a tourniquet attached to this, but I have one in my truck already. So I don't have one attached to this. It would just make one more thing on here. I've got one in my truck. So there you go. If you got any questions or any suggestions of something else I should add to this pouch, then drop it in the comments and let me know. Do you have a first aid kit in your vehicle? Do you have different things than I have? And just tell me what you think. All right, so I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.